Hi guys, and welcome to my face yoga channel where we practice simple and effective face yoga exercises. I have also created a 28-day face yoga challenge where we work on different areas of the face. I'll be tagging the playlist right here if you wish to take up the challenge. In today's video, we'll be doing exercises for lymphatic drainage, but before that, we will take slow, deep breaths to relax the body, release any tension, and prepare ourselves for the practice. Take 3 to 4 slow, deep breaths with me and relax yourself. So first exercise is very simple. We're gonna start right here at the clavicle, or called as collarbone. You'll find it just above this little U-shaped area at the base of your neck. Take your fingers, first 3 or 4 fingers, and place them gently on this area. And we're simply going to just apply a gentle rhythmic pressure here. See how I am softly massaging this area. There is no right amount of pressure that I could say. I would just say listen to your body. जितना pressure comfortable लगे उतना ही आप use करें. And if it's feeling uncomfortable or painful, then you need to lighten the pressure. The idea here is to gently stimulate the area and encourage the natural movement of lymphatic fluid. And as you do this, relax your shoulders, breathe normally, and try to stay connected to the movement. We will do this exercise for a minute. Keep doing it with me. Relax कीजिए, breathe कीजिए, and movement को feel कीजिए. Next exercise, make gentle fists with both your hands and place them right under your jawline, right here. And from here we are gently gliding them downwards, from underneath the jaw towards the collarbone. Watch it again. Make a fist with your both hands and glide them from under your jawline. Remember, the pressure should be gentle but firm enough for you to feel the movement. ना बहुत ज़्यादा pressure लगाना है, ना बहुत हल्का लगाना है. Just find what feels comfortable for you. It's a very relaxing facial yoga movement. Avoid pressing directly on the front of your neck or the thyroid area. We are working along the sides of the neck. Bring the movement down towards the clavicle or your collarbone. Sides पे pressure लगाना है. This movement helps encourage the natural flow of lymphatic fluid while also gently working on the muscles around the jaw and neck. These muscles can hold quite a lot of tension. कभी कभी हम फेस को मसाज करते रहते हैं लेकिन नेक और शोल्डर्स की टेंशन को इग्नोर कर देते हैं. And since the muscles of the face, neck and upper body are all interconnected, relaxing this area can be a really nice way to prepare the face for the exercises that follow. Next exercise, make a V shape with your fingers. And now placing these fingers just behind your ears like this, right in this area, and from here we are going to gently glide downwards towards the base of your neck and ultimately towards the clavicle. Once again, going downwards, gentle pressure towards the collarbone or clavicle. Right. Now we'll do this for a minute. The movement is only going downwards. Think of it as gently guiding or drawing everything down. You can apply pressure as it feels right for you. जैसा comfortable लगे वही करें. And this is a very, very, very relaxing exercise. You will feel it starting from your ears, gliding all the way through your neck downwards towards your collarbone. Try to pay attention to how your body feels. Keep the pressure gentle and movement slow and comfortable. You can close your eyes, relax your shoulders, take a deep breath while you're doing it, and focus on the movement. Now let's move on to the forehead. Take the tips of your fingers, place them in the center of your forehead, and from here we are going to slowly glide our fingers downwards and towards the base of the neck and collarbone. Again, starting from the center of the forehead, gently gliding down the fingers all the way down to your clavicle or your collarbone. This movement should be very slow and gentle. Along with encouraging lymphatic movement, we are also beginning to gently massage and relax the muscles of the face. जितना slowly आप करेंगे उतना ही आप अपनी fingertips और movement पर focus कर पाएंगे. So take your time, relax your forehead and just feel your fingers moving across the skin. We'll keep repeating this exercise. We are doing all exercises for a minute, so keep doing it with me. Place your fingertips in the center of the forehead, take a breath and slowly glide them down, nice and slow. Relax your forehead, relax your face and just enjoy this movement. Now we are going to do the exact same movement but for our cheekbones, placing the tips of your fingers gently on your cheekbones and gliding them outwards towards your temples and then back downwards towards the base of your neck. Starting from the center of the cheekbones, gliding all the way downwards towards your collarbones. Keep the movement slow and gentle. There is no need to apply too much pressure. Just let your fingertips move smoothly across the skin. This is a lovely massage for the cheek and the sinus area. It can also help you feel more refreshed around the under eye area. And over time, working along the cheekbones can also help you become more aware of and define the natural structure of your face. And don't worry if you notice your skin looking a little pink or flushed afterwards. A temporary redness can happen from the massage and increased circulation to the skin, so no need to worry. That's absolutely fine. Now let's work on the under eye area. Take your index finger, place it underneath your eye, and we're going to make small, gentle circular movements along the under eye area. We will massage this area first, and while we are going under eye, keep the pressure bare minimum. The skin under your eyes is extremely delicate, so pressure needs to be very, very light. यहाँ पर प्रेशर बिल्कुल नहीं लगाना है. ऊपर आप प्रेशर लगाएंगे आईब्रोज के नीचे, और जब फिंगर आईज के नीचे आएंगी नो प्रेशर, और वेरी वेरी जेंटल प्रेशर. This massage can be a lovely addition to your routine if you experience under eye puffiness or feel that your eye area looks tired. This movement may help encourage fluid circulation. It can also feel really relaxing around the brow area, especially when you're holding tension there. So if you have had a long day or your eyes and forehead feel tense, take this moment to slow down and relax. Now we are going to work on the lower part of the face. Take your hands like this as if you're going to call out or shout. Make sure your thumb and index fingers are gently in contact with your skin. Now starting from the center of the face, we are going to glide our hands outwards towards the area just in front of the ears, and then ultimately bring the movement down towards the base of our neck and collarbone. Once again doing it, keep the pressure comfortable and the movement nice and slow. Starting from the center of the lower face, gliding our hands outwards towards our ears, ultimately towards the base of the neck and collarbones. This is a great movement to incorporate into your routine when you want to work on the lower face and give it a more lifted, refreshed appearance. An excellent exercise for lymphatic drainage on the lower face. Do this exercise slowly, gentle pressure. जितना pressure आपको ठीक लगे उतना pressure आप करिए. और इस एक्सरसाइज के लिए थोड़ा सा मॉइस्चराइज़र, फेस सीरम आप लगा सकते हो। जहाँ पर भी, जिस एक्सरसाइज पर भी आपको ज़रूरत लगे, आप सीरम, मॉइस्चराइज़र कुछ लगा सकते हो ताकि मूवमेंट आप आराम से कर पाओ। Now let's finish our lymphatic drainage routine with a little facial tapping. Using your fingertips, tap all over your face, your forehead, towards your cheeks. बहुत जेंटली टैप करना है, जैसे हम अपनी स्किन और फेशियल मसल्स को जेंटली वेक अप कर रहे हैं। धीरे धीरे टैप करेंगे, बहुत रिलैक्सिंग लगता है ये फेस के ऊपर। Just enjoy the sensation. And that completes our lymphatic drainage routine. Your face should feel relaxed, refreshed, and depuffed. So that's all for today. These were the exercises for lymphatic drainage. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Subscribe to my channel if you want to keep following my face yoga videos. I'll see you in a new video now. Bye.